So that one dent that I pounded out, I noticed while I was stripping the rest of the paint that it's oil canning now. So I'm going to fix that by welding a reinforcement on the inside. So now looking at the inside of the door, I stripped away the rubberized undercoating that's sprayed in here, and I am going to weld a reinforcement in this area where the oil canning is happening. So, and what you want to do is find out exactly where the center is of this oil canning, and that's going to be the easiest portion that flexes, and then go on either side of it, keep on working on either side of it until it's harder to do. So as I go this way from that one, about almost right in the center, it's kind of hard. So as long as I go past that, that should fix it. And then you got to do the same thing going the other direction. So it looks like it's just like right below this cutout. I'll have to extend the reinforcement too. So the plan is to weld this piece of flat stock on the inside of my door to prevent the oil canning. Hopefully it goes well. So I have the reinforcement welded in. So now it's time to check to make sure it stopped the oil canning. Okay, so I'll have to grind where these weld spots are, but no more oil canning. Okay, now grind off these weld spots and give a skim coat of body filler and smooth everything out. And my driver's side door will be done.